This is Ren. I'm here to do a video today. We're gonna talk about some Jeeps. It's gonna be pretty awesome.
Alright, welcome back. I'm Ren. This is Wrenegade Offroad. This is an update on the blind Jeep build. I apologize in advance. I lost a couple of the videos and the footage that we were shooting of the Jeep. So what I've got together today is a quick update on it. It's a couple time lapses of us just tearing the Jeep down, pulling everything off, starting to getting into cutting the Jeep. So it's an update on the Jeep. We cut into it already. We've got the axles ripped out, and you'll see in this video of how far we've come along, everything. And it's just an update on the progress we've continued with. And if you have any questions on what we're doing, feel free to jump in the comments and comment whatever question you have, whatever you want to see. I have a lot of stuff that I'm doing, but I want to make sure I get the content that you guys want to see. Do you want me to go through the axles? Do you want me to tear everything down or break everything down into order, how it goes in, and want me to show you exactly how everything works? I'm glad to do that. I want to do that. If you want to see that, great. I will gladly do that for you guys. Just, I want to hear your questions. I want to hear your comments. Just, if you have anything, you want to say hi, cool. Just, I read all the comments. It entertains me. It gives me, that's what I love doing. I love bringing all this stuff to you. I love bringing my knowledge of Jeeps and off-roading to you guys. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Join the fun on the channel and enjoy the footage of the Jeep. Peace out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We got a lot done today. I didn't get to film much of it as I'd like. Basically, I'm just going to show you what I've done and me and my friends done today. Alright, so we got a lot done with the axles. We got the brakes on, all the bearings and stuff like that cleaned out and put in. We got the new Artec stuff just chilling on top. I haven't got it fully mounted yet. I need to get the studs for the arms, so that needs to come in. And then I need to get, what else? We need to drill these out. Those are going to get drilled out for the double shear tie rod ends. I'm doing a hydraulics assist steering on this axle, so I want to try to keep most of the strength in between here instead of all on the knuckle itself, because these knuckles are prone to cracking under heavy abuse. And I don't know how I don't know about y'all, but I may be really heavy on this thing just because of, I can't see, so we're gonna be bouncing off a couple things. We got, oh, I forgot to say, we got the U-joints and axle shafts put in. I went with the Revolutionary chromoly outers. I picked these up a long time ago, and I finally just decided to use them. Use what you got, right? So those are in. Spicer U-joints, of course. Chromoly outers, 35 spline. So I'm getting 35 spline hubs. I have those, but we're not putting those on just yet. Fresh brakes, all that fun stuff. And now over here to the 14 bolt, I got the rough stuff kit with the disc brake conversion kit for the rough stuff. It's a pretty slick little kit. Basically uses a front caliper, I believe, off of an older Chevrolet, probably the same year model as what this 14 bolt is, but you can get a good idea what that is. Got those on. Got all the bearings in here. So we did that all today. I didn't really film a whole lot of that, but just because how tedious it is, I had to have some help doing that. Just because the tedious stuff is harder for me to do because I can't really see all the how far the races go in with the bearings and everything, to make sure it's all seated properly. So those are on. Basically they're set up to be rollers now, except for there's no steering on the front axle. So one step forward. I can't wait to get them underneath the Jeep. It's gonna be awesome. But here is the Jeep so far. It is still hovering. Let's see here. So we've got the outer panels taken off. The inner wheel. What do you call it? I don't know what you call it. It's the sheet metal that goes right there. But we had to pull those out because the tires are going to be hitting. There's a little bump that drops down in between there. There's a little, like a dimple that sticks out, and the tires are going to contact that. So basically what it does is makes it smooth all the way down. And you can also see here we have the stiffeners tacked up. So I went with Hooligan Offroad, the best kit out there. I believe it's on the market, just because they somewhat box around the frame on the middle stiffeners. These kind of wrap around in certain areas. I don't have the middle on just yet. I don't know if y'all can see. Maybe if you see it, cool. If not, all right. But I got the rear tacked up, so all these need to be fully welded in. We got the Jeep sitting on the pinch seams right now. We're putting all the stiffeners on. Once the stiffeners are on, I can move the arms into the unibody so I can cut the rockers out, and we can do those. Do the little mini boat sides. But so far so good. It's coming along. I'm gonna try to do a lot more videos about it and doing things. I need to do a better job of filming things, since this is a process and I'm trying to show everybody what's going through it and what we're doing to get everything on. But it's a big build. There's a lot of moving parts. This is not just a bolt-on lift kit type situation, which this thing would have been done a long time ago. But I had to be difficult, and I chose to be difficult because I wanted to be different. And that's the good thing about owning a Jeep. You get to be different. You can be whatever you want. You can have it look any way you want it, and it's really cool that way. But yeah, that's the Jeep right now. I gotta finish. There's the rest of the stiffeners and all that other stuff. But this is just a quick update video of what's going on with the Jeep. I got more parts coming in. As you can see, I got the Artec arms. Those are nice. I really like those. I really wanted to get these because they're just so freaking beefy. Got those in. I'm trying to think what other parts I got picked up. I got a couple other ones that are at the house, but when those get here, I'll definitely show you what those are and what we're using to make these axles bomb-proof, pretty much. That's the last thing I want to do, is working on it on the trail. So, thanks for following the Jeep, following me.
Also, a huge thanks to Zach for coming out today and helping me with this Jeep. I really appreciate all the help you came out and did. I'd still be out here right now if you didn't come out. So thank you again, man. Thank you all for following along, and thank you all for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Soft.
Shout out to Golden Chick.
The screen stay recording?
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
For sure. Alright, now I gotta get all hyped up again.